What's up? This is going to be part 2 of the deep water fad video. After we got done deploying the fads, we went ahead and stopped, did some deep dropping in about 800 foot of water, and then we moved up to some shallower water to do some beeliner fishing, some white snapper fishing, and bounce on the bottom a little bit. In the first part 1 video of the fads, what that is, that's a Florida program deal there. 4 fads were put out, and then we went back and put out 4 in between these you can tie up to. Some of them are marked with weather stuff and GPS stuff. But what it is, a fad is a fish attracting device. You can have shallow water ones for bait. You can make them a little bigger for bait and other fish. If you're wanting to catch fish, want to catch bait, you can do either one. This is top to bottom. Most shallow water fads are not top to bottom. That way you can just get on top of them. You don't get it in your prop. But these are top to bottom. Made in Japan. It's like a fiberglass mesh woven deal. So it's pretty cool. But in the deep drop video, what you'll see, what we're using, we got a 5 hook leader, glow in the dark, breakers in between, and some circle hooks, and we're using a 2-pound lead at the bottom. And again, we're dropping all the way to the bottom, winding up, maybe we're just bouncing it up off the bottom, 2 cranks off the bottom, okay? And beeliner fishing, 2-3 hook rigs, a little bit lighter pound test, 80-60 pound test, and cut squid on that. So we had some snowbirds ride out with us. This wasn't a charter or anything. So as you can see in the video, we had a lot of line, a lot of stuff just laying around the boat. We were mainly out there to deploy those fads, but we decided to fish while we were out there. So it was just me and a couple other snowbirds out there and my dad. And so we made a few drops down there, and so we caught some fish, as you see in the video. Beeliner, Kosk, yellow edge grouper, white snapper, we caught some barjacks, banded rudderfish, bunch of baby amberjack. So we had a good mess of fish, and man, we had a good time. We fished all night, and then we even fished all the way up into the morning time, and then came on in. So a lot of fishing. Go. All right. Go ahead. Sit it down. Yep. Just kind of keep that thumb right in there. Okay. Alright. Or yellow edge. What is it? I wanna time it with you. With there you go. Alright, Bob, tell them your secret. They wanna know. See you through, 'cause every day we pay the price for the living sacrifice. Time until the time is through. We're timing. To think the timing was a thing of the past. We're timing, and I hope this time is gonna video. You get to see kind of what's going on behind the scenes on these fads and reefs that are getting deployed, and a little fishing insight there. So if you got any questions or comments there, just drop them in below and we'll get to them. Thank you.